Engaged core? Loose core? Engaged core? Loose core. Today is home birth visit day. Hello?
Hi, it's Amy. How are ya?
Oh, I get the honors of scooping the poop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bailey from Birthing Bravely, and I share all things natural pregnancy, childbirth, and intentional parenting. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, a week ago I shared everything that I have prepared for my home birth. We are planning our second home birth for our second baby. We had a successful home birth the first time and we loved it so much we decided we want to plan another one. So, if all goes according to plan, this baby is going to be born at home. And we've made it to the 37-week mark, which means so far we are right on track for that plan. If you're thinking of doing a home birth, this will give you some ideas of what you can expect. Hello everybody! Today is home birth visit day. Are you so excited? Nope. I thought I'd get more of a reaction out of you there. No? Okay. Okay, you guys, today is, what's today? Home birth visit day. But we are patiently awaiting the arrival of our midwife, who should be here soon, hopefully. We're literally like standing at the top of the stairs, just waiting. So, we're excited. Over here I have, let me just grab it actually. Oh shoot, my phone's ringing. Just waiting for the midwife to get here.
Yeah, when's she supposed to be there?
11:30.
Yeah, she's running late.
Yeah, she's running behind. So she called me first thing this morning and she said, is today a good day to come? She's like, I have another home visit at 9:30. I'll go to that visit and then once it's done, I'll go to the clinic, get all your stuff, and then I'll come to you. So now I'm just waiting because like I have no idea when she's coming, but we're ready for her. And Kai has to nap soon. Are you excited? No. What do you guys think of these braids? Because I was trying to think of how I can put my hair up. I have these like choppy bits that drive me insane and always fall on my face, literally all the time. Even when my hair's up. Like I have all these little choppy bits, so I thought if I put my hair in braids, when I'm in labor, maybe it will stay out of my face completely. Like pretty tight braids. That's pretty much the only thing I can think of to do. So I thought, we're doing a full run through today. Let's just put the hair in braids and test it out. So here we are. This is what labor and delivery Bailey will look like. Happy face and all. Hello?
Hi, it's Amy. How are ya?
Hi Amy, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I am having a hard time finding you.
Oh, okay, where are you?
I am on...
Okay, let me just see what it looks like outside. The reason why we're not having the baby in the bathtub is because it's just like your standard bathtub, and when you have a baby, like the baby's actually born in the tub, the midwives have to be able to access you on at least 3 sides. We will come back onto the bed to deliver the placenta, and the reason why the placenta will get delivered in the bed and not in the tub is because the midwives like to monitor the amount of blood loss when you deliver the placenta, just in case you're at risk of hemorrhaging or anything like that. They can't really monitor it when you're in water. And our son is out of bed. I'm gonna go get him. So when the midwife came on Tuesday, basically what they do is at 36 weeks pregnant, they do a home visit. She brought some goodies.
What are the puppy pads for?
All the goodies, like all the droplings that come out of me.
The goodies?
Are you excited about that?
Oh yeah. You gonna have more than one goodie coming out of you?
Yeah, there's little fill one up and make it warm, and then fill one up and make it cold, and they'll put cloths in each one. And then if you get too hot or too cold, the midwives will kind of like soothe you and take care of you. So this large Ziploc bag combined with newspaper is what they actually wrap the placenta in. This is a thermometer. If the baby is born in water that's too hot, you could risk fever, and obviously if the baby's born in water that's too cold, you could risk hypothermia. Some people have asked, will the baby be able to breathe underwater when he first comes out? And yes, he will, because he's already in water. So it's actually a smoother transition. It's kind of like the first breaths aren't actually taken until you're out of water. They want you to have hydrogen peroxide. They do a lot of the cleaning. You'll go have a shower, you'll get cleaned up, you'll come out, and it will look like you never gave birth in here. Right? Do you remember that from the first time?
Yeah.
They did a good job, didn't they?
Yeah.
Like, we need to get a proper flashlight. Still.
I can get a flashlight?
Yes. You're allowed to get a flashlight.
Cabela's?
I just brought this plate up so they'd have a tray to set things down on if they needed to. But this isn't part of the
Hors
list.
d'oeuvres?
Yeah.
Goodies? Is that where we put the goodies that come out of you?
This is from my first birth.
The poop and scooper?
I didn't need to use it. You're in charge of scooping
Oh, I get the honors of scooping the poop?
tub. I'm just really hoping that there's no poop in there. What? These are all from the dollar store, and I honestly, guys, didn't spend more than $30 on all this stuff. Like, it's just really, really basic stuff from the dollar store. These covers, I got 3 different kinds. One of them I'm going to put on the bed. The other 2 I'll probably put under the tub. This is the one I picked for on the bed. I already took it out to test it out to see if it fits, and it fits really well. This is called a plastic drop sheet, like for when you're painting. So here's the game plan. We have nice sheets on the bed right now. I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna make the bed like how it is now. We're going to tuck this in. How's it fit? Looks good, right?
Yeah, looks good. Looks like you're trying to set up a murder scene.
And then I'm going to put our crappy sheets over top. But she said that we can use this. She was just like, is it sturdy? As long as it's sturdy, it's fine. But again, just like the tub, she has to access it from 3 sides. So we're just gonna pull it out. We're gonna completely clear it and just put it in the middle of the room right here. And my plan is to have some like positive birthing affirmation cards, and I'll probably hang them, like I'll have these lights on here, and I'll probably hang them from here so that it feels like a positive birth space. And some breathing cards. I'm making some breathing cards too to help remind me. Or are you going to be my reminder? Are you going to tell me what?
I'll have cue cards. Keep.
The labor list. Another thing I have, let me show you this. This is what I'm calling my newborn bin. Cute, huh? Is it not so cute? Are you excited, babes?
So excited.
Do you remember this with Kai? So little. Okay, so in here, I have all of my postpartum goodies. I have tons of nursing pads and like bamboo, organic cotton, regular cotton, hemp. They all work the same, I find. But look for something with a backing on it, as opposed to something like this with no backing, because then you're more likely to leak through and it will just feel like soppy and wet and gross. And I've never tried these curve pads, but I've heard really good things. So this is the nighttime absorbency, and I'm excited to try them. I'll let you guys know how they work. But you just kind of wear them at night, and trust me when I say, like, I've woken up so many times in the night and like leaked through my bra, leaked through my shirt, onto the sheets, and it just smells like rotten milk, essentially, and then you're constantly doing laundry. So if these work, these will be a lifesaver. I have clary sage. You can mix clary sage with some sort of carrier oil. Rub it on your belly. Helps during contractions. And then I have Rescue Remedy, which is supposed to help just with like hormones and balancing everything. And then I have Arnica, which is supposed to help with pain. And I got the 200 CH, which is like the highest dosage, which is completely safe. It's homeopathic. And lip chap. You have to have lip chap when you go into labor. And another thing that I have is eucalyptus oil, which is in Kai's bedroom right now, but I love like that or peppermint. If you just smell it, it's enough to just like make you feel alive. Like if you're feeling nauseous or you're feeling yucky or anything when you're in labor, honestly, I feel like just smelling it helps a lot. I have vitamin D for the baby. I've talked about this vitamin D before. It's like completely natural. It's just pure vitamin D in organic extra virgin olive oil. The vitamin D that the healthcare professionals give you has like all this other added stuff. I'll link it all down below in the bathroom. I have these. These are like burp cloths, but they're old and they're grungy and we use them for anything. These are just pieces of fabric from the store. So you can like go to the store and get like a huge thing of fabric if you want to. Cut it up and then have these on hand. Burp cloths can be so expensive and I honestly don't see the point.
Yeah, just throw like one of those over it.
Yeah. These came in so handy when we had Kai, remember? And they still come in handy.
We got lucky. Kai never really threw up. I don't think he's ever thrown up.
Well, we gave him those probiotic drops too. I think those helped a lot.
Yeah.
But yeah, he was pretty good.
I don't think he's ever thrown up. He's almost 2.
Yeah. I have this on the back of the toilet. So I have organic pads, the good like heavy duty always pads. And then, if you guys saw my Instagram stories, you know how excited I am to wear these. Yeah! Babes, are you excited to see me in these?
Oh yeah.
They're diapers.
Rocket.
But like they honestly feel so soft. And look, they have a little bow on them.
Yeah, I might put one on tonight.
Do you think you're gonna like me in them?
Oh yeah.
I bought my own Perry bottle this time and I'm so excited because I treated myself to this by Frida Baby. Look at that. Look at that. I am no contortionist, okay? And I had to contort myself in order to use the Perry bottle like the first time because you can't wipe, you know? Not to be TMI, but hello, it's a birthing video. So, we got this now. Are you excited about this?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Are you gonna try it out on your butt? It's not yours. There will be no contorting. I'll feel so bougie, like not having to move, just spraying myself with this.
Squirt, squirt.
Let's get this tub set up. What do you think?
Let's do it.
This is a pump we found laying around the house, and I wasn't sure if it was going to work, and it didn't. So Chris ended up putting on his favorite show and sitting there and just blowing up this entire tub by mouth. But because we did it in advance, I think it worked out perfectly. So it saved us from having to buy a pump. So if your hubby or birth coach wants to blow up the tub for you, make sure you do it in advance and give them time to take breaks. And while he did that, I set up the area that I guess I will refer to as the resuscitation table.
Hi. Hi. What
Hi. Is this where your brother is going to be born?
Baby brother, baby.
Baby brother, where's baby brother right now?
In Mama's tummy.
In Mama's tummy. Do you like it?
Good side. Boom.
It's beautiful, Dada.
It's beautiful, Dada.
Alright, you guys, this is it. This is the tub all blown up. You can sit in it like this. You can lean forward in it on your knees. It's nice and deep, as you can see, so you'll be nice and warm and cozy. And this is where we're gonna have it. The only thing we need is the tarp to put underneath in case the water goes over the edges. In case the water goes over the edges. And we have a patch in case we get a hole in it. And we have a sanitizing wipes that are made for it to clean it before it's go time. Okay, so can we say bye to everybody now? If you have any questions about the home birth process, feel free to message me on Instagram and I will answer them. And we will keep you updated with this whole thing, this whole process of having a baby. We can have a baby. Where does the baby come from? Pardon? butt. My belly? No? Where's the baby come from? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already.